PUBG Mobile, do you want to play with higher FPS and a smoother gameplay? On Rapidguide channel, I'll show you how. First, open PUBG Mobile and go to the Settings menu. Tap Graphics and Audio, then open the Graphics section. For smoother gameplay, choose a lower graphics quality if your phone struggles with performance. Next, find the frame rate option and select the highest FPS setting available on your device. Keep in mind that the available FPS options depend on your phone model and the current game version. You can also close background apps and avoid playing while your phone is overheating. After changing the settings, apply them and start a match to test the performance. Follow Rapidguide for more PUBG Mobile tutorials and gaming guides